Hello everyone. Today we're turning any indoor photo into a clean, bright, professionally lit image. Indoor lighting often creates yellow tones or unpleasant shadows. Begin by correcting the white balance to achieve neutral colors. Lighten the midtones to mimic soft window lighting.
Reduce harsh shadows without flattening the image too much.
If the background feels cluttered, soften it slightly so your subject remains the star. Make colors cleaner by removing strong tints and enhancing natural tones. Finish by sharpening only the important areas. Clean indoor photos rely on balanced light and simple tones. Stick around for more pure editing guides.